Namaste, and welcome to this special episode of AutoVista. Today, we are stepping into the world of a car that is not just a means of transportation, but a stunning fusion of art, technology, and the future. We are talking about the Aurora Sentinel 2026. Aurora Sentinel 2026, a name that tells a story of hope, power, and protection. This is not just a car, it is an experience that gives you a new sense of attraction and confidence on the road. Designed for 2026, this masterpiece represents advanced engineering and aesthetic brilliance. Every corner, every surface has been crafted with utmost care and foresight. Let's start with its frontal look. At first glance, the Sentinel immediately showcases its bold and athletic presence. Its low-slung profile and wide stance give it a commanding look on the road. Its metallic shade appears different under different lighting, sometimes silver, sometimes gunmetal gray, and occasionally a subtle blue. This shade isn't just a color, it's a statement. Now let's talk about the front bumper. It's not just a protective shield, it's a remarkable piece of design. Aerodynamic efficiency has been carefully engineered here, allowing the car to slice through air effortlessly, also contributing to improved fuel efficiency. The integrated splitter and air intakes not only give the car an aggressive look but also play a vital role in cooling the engine. And right at the center, the front grille, the pride of the Sentinel. The grille is not just a vent, it's the car's identity. Minimalistic yet powerful, it enhances the car's overall appeal. Embedded within it are advanced sensors that power features like adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance. Every element has a purpose. Its eyes, the front lights, illuminate the road and make the Sentinel stand out even in the darkest nights. These slim LED matrix headlights offer exceptional brightness and are part of an intelligent lighting system. They adjust their beam according to oncoming traffic and road conditions, enhancing both safety and visibility. The signature DRL's daytime running lights give the car a recognizable identity even during the day. Now let's take a look at the left side. The Sentinel's side profile is sleek and elegant like a coupe, yet spacious like a sedan from within. The roofline flows smoothly towards the rear, further enhancing its aerodynamic profile. Clean lines, recessed door handles, and perfectly proportioned alloy wheels come together to give it a seamless and modern look. Here's a small but significant detail, the side mirrors. These are not just mirrors, they are sleek, aerodynamically crafted elements with integrated turn indicators. They feature blind spot monitoring and auto-dimming functions, adding an extra layer of safety while driving. The carbon fiber finish enhances its sporty character. Now moving to the rear side. The design philosophy remains the same, minimalist, modern, and powerful. The full-width LED tail light bar stretches across the entire width of the car, creating a unique and instantly recognizable signature at night. It's not only beautiful but also highly visible. The rear bumper is equally stylish and functional. It features diffuser-style elements that improve aerodynamic stability, especially at high speeds. And you cannot miss those quad exhaust tips. They are not just decorative pieces, they symbolize the Sentinel's performance heritage, reflecting its power and speed. From every angle, the Aurora Sentinel 2026 is a car that captivates both heart and mind. Every detail promises excellent performance, exceptional safety, and a comfortable driving experience. This car is not made just to run on roads, it's made to rule them. And when you open the front door, you step into a world where luxury and technology are in perfect balance. A spacious cabin, premium materials, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system welcome you. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior. For performance enthusiasts, opening the hood reveals an engineering marvel. The Sentinel 2026 comes with multiple powertrain options, including high-performance electric and hybrid variants. Each powertrain is designed to deliver the perfect blend of power and efficiency, offering a thrilling driving experience without placing too much burden on the environment. Aurora Sentinel 2026. This isn't just a car. It's a vision of the future brought to life today. It's made for those who don't just want to reach their destination but want to enjoy the journey as well. Every drive in this machine will be a memorable experience.